Hello viewers, today I'm going to talk with you about the phone OnePlus 6. Well, talking about this phone comes the network at first. It has got 2G, 3G and 4G networks. Its body dimensions are 7.5mm thickness and it weighs 175 grams. It's built of front glass aluminum body and it has got dual SIM supports and dual standby SIM supports, nano SIM. About its display type is optic AMOLED capacitive touchscreen 16mm colors. Its display size is 6.28 inches, 98.4 cm square. Its display resolution is 1080 into 2280 pixels, 19:9 ratio. It has got multi-touch display and its display protection, it has got Corning Gorilla Glass 5, DCI-P3, Oxygen OS. About its platform, well, it has got OS Android 8.1 Oreo and it has got chipset of Qualcomm SDM845 Snapdragon 845. It has got CPU of octa-core and it has got GPU of Adreno 630. It has got no memory card slot. Its internal memory is 256GB, 8GB RAM or 64 by 128GB, 6GB of RAM. It has got primary camera of dual 16 megapixels plus 20 megapixels, face detection autofocus and dual LED flash. Its camera features are geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR and panorama. Its videos are 2160p at 30 fps, 1080p at 30 by 60 fps, 720p at 30 by 120 fps. Its secondary cameras are 16 megapixel, gyro EIS, auto HDR, 1080p. About its sound, well, it has got alert types like vibration, MP3, wave ringtones. It has got loudspeaker. It has got 3.5mm jack, active noise cancellation with dedicated microphone, direct HD sound. About its comms, it has got WLAN, Wi-Fi, 802.11, A by B by G by N by AC dual band, Wi-Fi direct, DLNA hotspot. It has got Bluetooth of 5.0, A2DP, LE, aptX HD. It has got GPS with AGPS, LONASS, BDS, Galileo. It has got NFC. It has got no radio though. It has got USB of 2.0 Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. It has got sensors like fingerprint, accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor and compass. It has got messaging options like SMS, MMS, email, IM, push email. It has got browser of HTML5 which contains fast battery charging 5V 4A 20 watts DIVX by XVID by MP4 by H.265 player. It has got MP3 EAAC plus WMA Wave FLAC player. It has got document viewer. It has got photo and video editor. About its battery, well, it contains non-removable LiPo 3450 mAh battery and you can get them in 3 different colors like midnight black, lava red and sandstone white. And its price right now is about 500 euro. Well, that was all the primary informations that I got about this phone, which is known as OnePlus 6. If you want to know a bit more details about this phone, do not forget to check out the description of this video. And most importantly, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.